Yo, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys like my Minecraft creative world. So in this world, I'm just like building stuff. I'll be showing you guys what I'm gonna be building, what I built so far right now. And about this world, I'm gonna post a lot of stuff on this world. Wait, let me fix this up. Let me fix this up a little bit. Yeah, so this is my new build. I call this like the cozy house. So it's supposed to be really cozy and like it's supposed to be like super cozy and like chill. Wait, and it's like close to the woods because it's like the woods are the most chill. Like, and by the way, guys, like this server like is like crazy lucky. Like if I wouldn't make this like a creative world, I spawned close to another portal and like I ruined another portal. I built my main house right there, and there's a village right there, and there's a village like right there. Bro, I was like so shocked, and then I saw this when I was like building this house. So I'm gonna continue building this house, but I'm gonna show you guys like what I've built so far. Okay, this is good. This is good. Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, so this is the cozy house. I showed it in the start of the video. So here's like the chimney, and there's a sofa right here. You can sit on it. There's a lamp right there. You go up here. Here are like books, bookshelves. Yeah, these decorations, and there's the bed. You can sleep in here. This is really cozy, dude. And like a lot of stuff is in here for like decoration, but that's fine. But this is actually a pretty good house. If I would like rate it, I would give it a like. The looks from outside, like it kind of messed up, bro. It looks like a block. That's why like I placed these things. I will rate it like outside 8 out of 10. Chimney gives it like a little bit of life. Inside, to be honest, 10 out of 10 in my opinion. It's like so cozy. Okay, let's move on to my house, like the main house. And yeah, I just built this for fun. I didn't really work on it, but like in the end, when I was like finishing it, I like give it a couple of touches. So yeah, you can clearly see I didn't work on the first level like at all, almost. Yeah. So this is the second floor. Second floor is one of my favorites. There's actually a third floor as well. That third floor is my favorite. So there's a TV right there. I know it doesn't look like a TV, but just pretend it's a TV. Yeah, there's another chimney right here. There's a fountain. You can see that fountain, and like no questions. It's just a toilet. And there's like a bed inbuilt like into the ground. I think it just looks sick. And this is my favorite room. And yeah, this is the this is the pool slash bathtub room. So if you guys wonder how to like make a bathtub like bubble, You have to place soul sand, but like the only issue is that you cannot swim anymore. You will just be jumping around. And here is just the pool. Yeah, I didn't decide to make it like bigger, but it's like an in-ground pool. So right here is the bar. I made a bar right here. Yeah, there's Coca-Cola, Mountain Dew, water, and Fanta. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Right here, I have like the music, so you can just like turn on songs. This is my favorite one. Other Side. Dude, it sounds so sick. And yeah, pretty much nothing else. Yeah, I'm deciding on building like a city sort of thing. Yeah, but this is practically already a village because there's a house right there, house right there. There are two villages, like one right there, one right there. I remember what like the thing is called, like a bastion or something like that. I don't remember. Like the pillagers. Dang, I don't know. I remember. And yeah. And my view, like the main house, on the outside, bro, it looks good. But like on the inside, bro, only like the underground pool and like the second floor looks good. It's not as cozy as the cozy house. Like the cozy house is so cozy, bro. Like it's so cozy. It's meant to be cozy. So I give like the outside like a 7 out of 10, an 8 out of 10. I don't think if it's a 10 because I think, in my opinion, it's like too much. I did too much. I didn't really think much of it at the time. And here's like the pool. So yeah, I give outside 8 out of 10 final score, and inside 8 out of 10. Okay, now I'm just gonna perfect the house a little bit so it won't be that dead anymore. I'm just gonna make it better, you know, with you guys. Bro, I don't know what made me love building so much, bro. I love building. I really love building. I don't know why. But like when you look at like at what you did, what you've made, feels so good, man. Feels so good to just see what you have done. Wait, is this? I literally forgot the pattern that I was going with, bro. Yes, I was going like that. I'm gonna start raging right now. Okay. I'm just gonna finish building it, then I'm gonna end the video, I guess, because there's not much about the server anymore. So, okay, yeah. Now it looks really cozy on outside as well. It looks like a cozy house. I'm gonna change this up a little bit because this makes it look really ugly. Yeah, this is what I need. This is what I needed. This is what I needed. Exactly what I needed. No, this is ugly. Okay, this is good. This is good. Let me make this on the other side as well. How was it? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. Oh, wait, this is too much. Yeah, this is nice, man. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah. Okay, guys, y'all give it like y'all rate the houses in the comments. I told y'all my opinion. Yeah, I really like both of the houses. My favorite one is the cozy house, to be honest, because it's just so cozy. It makes it so much better. The outside is just so good with the chimney. It's just meant to be cozy, and I love cozy houses. So it's like this house is a 10 out of 10 for me. My main house, I think this is gonna be my main house for the next one, but yeah, the other house is like I give it an 8 because it's fun. Okay, see ya guys, bye.